I have been pleased to share with the Special Rapporteur and Wairarapa Moana the Mangatu experience of seeking the return of our land from the Crown under the Crown Forest Assets regime. We first filed our claim with the Waitangi Tribunal in 2007 and for the last 17 years have been to the High Court, the Court of Appeal and soon to the Supreme Court for a third time. The Crown's stubborn resistance and behaviour in litigating our Mangatu claim through the courts is being driven by a Crown culture that seeks, firstly, to oppose any claim outside the narrow confines of the Crown settlement policy, and secondly, to deny Maori claimants fair reparations and the return of their land, and finally, to pursue expensive litigation in the hope that the Maori claimants will run out of resources or force them to give up. Mangatu will continue to fight on. We have been successful in the Supreme Court twice already and expect to be a third time as well, and are hopeful that the Crown will finally be forced to pay fair reparations and return our land to us.